Somebody sent me something. I don't know what it's from. Okay, I was about to tell you guys something. You know I got ADD. What was I about to do? I was about to do something and tell you something. That's not gonna work. Okay, so I did just get done working out. Anyway, I am on, wait, what's it called? Bro, I get so annoyed with myself. Throne. I am on an app called Throne where you can send me gifts. The gifts are maybe from my Amazon wish list or another wish list I put there. You can pick from the store there and send me things of your own, like you want to see me open or you want to see me wear, or like, you know, make it, you know, appropriate. There's cosplay costumes on there. You guys know I like cosplay. I think some of y'all like cosplay, so you can send me some cosplay stuff. You can also just tip me on there and I get most of it. I think they charge maybe you guys a small transaction fee. So I'm excited to open it. There's 2 packages. I don't know what's in either package. So one of the packages I don't think is off of Throne. I think one of the Z Empire members sent me, a very VIP Z Empire member. Yeah, what do you guys think? Like, hold on, let me really show you how big this is. We got some packages. Listen. Yeah, you did. So this is like the agenda for the stream. Are you ready? We're gonna open some packages and then we're going to make dinner. I'm so fucking hungry. I think I need a snacky snack right now. After my workout, I think I need a snacky snack. Let me go see what I got, hold on. Oh yeah! Fuck yeah! Right on! That was a lot, I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, you ready for this shit? This is what I made. Take a look. It is organic Fuji apple. Well, I think I went ham. Cashew butter, honey, and cinnamon. Let's get to snacking. Fuck that motherfucker. Let's go. Open up. The crispness of the apple, the sweetness of the honey, and the cinnamon, and the nuttiness of the cashew butter. One thing I can appreciate is a good motherfucking snack. Okay? I'm telling you. Get one. Get one. Make sure you join my Discord because we be putting food in the big back chat all the motherfucking time. I should have took a picture of this. You know why I didn't? Because my fat ass wanted to... Okay? Ridiculous. I'm waiting. I was waiting on somebody to get in here. Do you think that was close to my nose? That would have been crazy. I'm a little glistening from the gym. Are you judging? Are you judging? Are you judging? If you're judging, you can go. You can cut it, all right? Let's start with the little one. Okay, let me reiterate. I'm on this app called Throne. Hold on, I think I need to moisturize my lips a little. You ever just sit there like, fuck, bro, why am I like this? I be chewing loud. Like, why am I chewing so loud with my mouth closed? Like, I'm annoyed at myself. I can't fucking listen. I gotta turn up the volume. Can't hear my chewing. Okay, what was I saying before I... Oh, yeah. Okay, listen. What I'm trying to say is I'm on this app. It's called Throne. Okay, I put like I go through their shit. I pick some shit that I might like, whatever, like, you know, might be cute. I could do a try-on haul with. They got cosplay costumes on there. They got home essentials. You can link your Amazon list to it, and you can just send tips, like send money gifts. Like, it's real cool, honestly. It's low-key cool. I think this is from there. This is definitely from a Z Empire member. So, get on there. Send me some shit. Let me open some shit. Like, it's fun, right? So this is what I normally do for YouTube when I have a mail thing. I go like this. This is kind of good though. Hold up. She can't see me. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. Anyway, I forget the rest of it. But that's what I do when I get mail. So if you wanna help me wag my tail, send me some mail. Okay, you're scared? You're scared of what's in it? Okay, it's hard. Whoa, pause. It's like a square shape. Okay, come on. What is this? Oh, some cables. We know we need these. These are charging cables with a right angle and a left angle probably, or maybe two right angles. Oh yeah, two right angles. USB-C chargers. You guys know I've been having issues with my IRL cables breaking easily, not charging, blah, blah, blah. So this was a very useful gift. Very, very useful gift. These kinds of things, great. Yes. Oh, you can see it all. Hold on, there's a card. Zahra, enamored by your beauty, captivated by your poise and grace, with admiration and veneration. Somebody. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somebody. Okay, this is unpacking instructions. Interesting. Okay, gently lift the perforated handles, pull out the inner box, and place. Okay. Ooh, it smells good, whatever it is. Oh, sorry, neighbors. Okay. You're gonna come in and get on top. Whoa. You guys don't even understand how good it smells.
It smells really good.
Wow, okay. Can I just tell you how beautiful this is and how good it smells, you guys? Alright, yeah, these smell very pretty. They're very nice. Shout out to the somebody who sent them. So, we opened the packages. I know there's more coming, you guys. How do we look together? We look good? Okay, are you guys ready to make dinner?